Dun, 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 dun. Ladies and gentlemen. Sorry, dude. Welcome to Shitcoin Talk episode 92. I'm dumb. Obviously.
Yeah, you are.
And I got my boys with me today. We're going to talk some shitcoins. And we're going to talk about Nano and Haven because fucking everyone's spammed us with that stuff. So, Chamber. Hello?
Hey.
Hey,
Just 2 days.
Oh, okay, sorry. What's going on, man?
Just chilling out. I'm excited to be here. Hey. Yeah, I don't know. It's going to be a fun day today. Talking with you guys.
Oh,
Let's talk some shitcoins.
perfect. Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day to you. Do you know what? I love, do you guys get like boxes of chocolate sometimes from your loved ones? Fucking, a box of chocolates is fucking underrated. That's a fucking delicious treat once in a while.
Turns out you never get to
like
gift
the whole
it.
box.
Yeah. No, like not in the entire box, just like a couple of little select pieces, like a strawberry filled one, maybe a caramel. It's gotta be that. What's the good one?
How about an apple instead?
Oh, apples. That's for every other day of the week.
Okay.
I mean, you can get those little edible pennies. I mean,
There's the fruit roll-ups, man. I can stitch
Yep.
those.
I knew somebody was gonna say fruit
Which one of
roll-ups.
us would look
Thank
best
you.
in edible panties, dude? Which one of us would?
Dumb, hands down.
Okay.
Yeah. I think I would.
I might take a bite out of Ambroid.
He bruises easily, though. Watch out.
Okay, I'll be gentle.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you. I'm out.
Great job, dude. Thank you. I'm out.
Yes.
All right.
Yes.
Yo, Bagsy, what's going on?
I'm coughing at the wrong time, but I'm good. It's a bad timing on my part, but
Yeah.
always a good time on this show.
We do that before the show goes live, Bagsy.
Unfortunately, I was late to
God.
the party, but doing good, guys. This market is blessed, and I hope it never ends.
Yeah. It's
It will end soon, dude.
Yeah.
Not yet.
McAfee, what was that McAfee tweet? The famous one. Pullbacks bear markets are when he talks about the paradigm of the market. And,
Yeah. I remember that. I can't remember exactly.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
He's a walking, talking paradigm of the fucking market,
No.
dude.
Where do you think he is right now?
I thought he was in prison.
Jail.
He's in jail
Like where? In the
in
States?
Spain. No, in
Oh.
Spain.
Yeah, no, in España.
Wow.
How
That's
wow.
What
Do
if
you
the
think we
jails?
can go and visit him?
I bet you the jails are better in Spain. I bet you they'd let you in to visit. Not like in America.
I don't know.
I'm gonna go to jail in Spain because at least my
Yeah,
friends
I
can
bet you
visit
it's
me.
nice. I bet you it's like.
No, have you seen like the pictures of like the Swedish prisons and stuff? Dude, it's like freaking day spas.
I know
like, for real.
the Japanese ones are sick. I've seen those.
Wow.
So like we're just gonna go on a crime spree in Europe.
Like a
or something.
vacation.
I don't know.
No,
Yeah.
we're not doing that.
Hey,
No.
forget a paid vacation. We'll just go to Swedish prison.
Okay. Well, this show is going great already.
This has already gone off the rails.
No wonder why we have no sponsors. Interesting.
Maybe some kind of Swedish jail will sponsor us?
Yeah.
Welcome to Fjord in Reykjavik.
Das
I don't know,
Klink.
man. Das Klink. That's German. That's not Swedish.
That's as close as I could get. I'm sorry.
God.
This is bad. Okay.
So yeah, hello, I'm Android.
Yeah.
Fruit Loops enthusiast, water drinker.
Yeah, heavy water drinker. That's me. Yeah, I've been trading shitcoins in 2016 for some god forbidden reason. Been with these guys since 2017. I mean, that was like the first shitcoin talk for me, like January 2017, if I recall correctly. It's 4 years now, dude. 4
years.
years there. I know you dumb.
Yeah. Cheers.
Yeah, good times, dude.
Yeah.
We got rich and then poor together. It's not many people can say
Yeah,
that.
and we cried together in real life.
Yes. Oh,
We did.
God.
All right, and we got SoCal. Hello?
Hey, everybody. What? Hi.
Who's calling?
Whose phone's ring? I don't know. Oh, Chamber. Answer the phone,
Hey.
Chamber.
Margin
Me.
calling. Margin calling.
Margin's calling. Don't answer it. It's a trap. Don't answer it. It's a trap.
It's the guys with the weird faces, the troglodytes or whatever they are.
The trog, the dogs.
Okay.
What are their names again?
Bogdanov.
Bogdanov. Trogdodon.
All right. SoCal, what's going on, dude?
Oh man, this is gone. Wow. All right, I'm having a great day, but I don't know if the show is having a great day.
When isn't the show having a great day, dude? Even if the beginning starts a little rocky, usually by the end of it, we're like, you know,
a little rocky. We are completely off the rails.
yeah.
And he calls it a little rocky.
You guys must be buying really good drugs with all the profits you're making or something. dude.
Man, you would look, so judging by the start so far, you would think we are buying some pretty damn good drugs.
Yeah.
I mean,
Well,
Jesus.
let's check
So
out
hot as fuck, dude.
let's check out some coins and see which ones can buy us even better drugs, shall we?
That's what I'm talking about.
God, we are never getting sponsors.
Nope.
Jesus.
It's okay. We don't
I don't
Maybe
think-
some kind of dark market will sponsor us.
Yes.
We are now sponsored by Socro
Yeah.
for
Honestly,
all your pharmaceutical needs.
Okay.
I get the feeling that none of you guys need a sponsor.
Nope.
Oh my God.
Okay.
Oh man, dude, the FBI is gonna kick my door in. Holy shit.
That's okay. All right.
No,
here's
it's not,
Here's
but
the
all
coin
right.
list. No, it's fun. Getting swatted is cool, dude. No. Okay.
What?
Is that what it's called? Getting swatted?
Yeah.
Wow.
It's happening.
Do you want to talk about that, dumb? Do you really want to?
No, I don't remember what episode it was, but someone did swat me when I was
Yo.
doing shitcoin talk. It was not a great time, dude. Please don't.
Yeah,
do
we
that.
were like, he just went away, and we were like, where's Dumb?
Yeah.
Like, we were like 20 minutes overtime. Dumb's still not back, right?
Yep.
So we are like self-moderating this shit.
And
And
I
then,
come back, I'm like, okay, we're done. Bye, bye, guys. And then I hang up stop the stream. I'm like, guys, I just got fucking swatted, bro. Oh, good times. All right, here's the coin list. Okay, maybe we should be nice to these coins because I don't want that to happen. The two most requested coins were Nano and Haven. Surprise! I wonder if whose Discord that got spammed or something like that. We have Nim, Hot, Origin Trail. That'll be a good one. Neo, EOS, Matrix AI. That's the one I haven't heard of in a while. Here's another gem, Dragon Chain.
Is it 2017 again? I'm sorry.
Yeah,
What-
right.
what day?
Oh, here's another one you love, Lux. I don't know where
Jesus.
these people are coming
Holy shit,
from.
dude.
People must be
You guys
getting
know
it to
DeFi's
break
pumping,
even.
right?
People must be
This is
break even
from
or
the
something.
bottom of the fucking barrel, dude.
It's over. It's over.
Mob,
Move on.
Rook, Denarius, Hex. I don't know why I put that on the list.
Wow.
And Metal. Dude, people must be getting
Hex.
at break even. They're getting excited. They're like, finally, got my money back. Like, let's see.
It's true though.
Yeah,
And
I wouldn't doubt it, dude.
I could have been a contender.
So we can cruise
Yeah,
through
so
these and
immediately sharing my freaking.
okay, I can't wait.
you know what I wonder? I wonder what the percentage is of people who actually do things better the second time around. On a macro perspective, not just singular trades, but just how much better can you get at conserving your money after the top sets, and how many people actually,
I
improve
think
drastically.
I think what it is it would be that the percentage of people that conserve capital is higher. However, the rate of returns is probably much lower.
Mhm. Fair enough.
because they don't go, full retard into something with no stop loss or whatever. And, so they miss they miss the stupid mega pumps, but they also don't get liquidated and don't get zeroed out by the inevitable dumps as well.
Yeah.
And that's the thing. Like, one thing I'd want to translate to anyone listening is if there was ever a time, actually I don't even want to say it, but because imagine the top sets today and I'd be immortalized as a dumbass, but like, if you're gonna be an ape, like the last 6 months have 2-3 months have been those conditions, and we could see money cycling through different categories. So it's like better not to have a stop loss, because most people don't even know where to set it or how to set it or how to risk, more importantly, just in general. So it sucks to say, but I think for the next little while, just running no stops and not going all in, but using some common sense is a much better strategy than trying to scalping would be good too, but if you're trying to play the swings, no stops.
So basically, like, use the same approach you did in college, right? Like, you don't really want to use a stop loss, but you got to be smart with the bags you pick, right? Is that what we're saying?
More or less, because at the end of the day, to keep recycling platitudes here, it's a marathon, not a sprint. So conserving capital and slowly building is always going to be preferable and will win out in the end, versus somebody aping into shit. They're eventually going to get blown out and they're going to lose everything. So, but if you're using proper risk management and everything, then obviously that cannot happen to you.
I disagree, dude. You have to fucking ape and all the time.
Well,
and then
not all the time.
No. You just have to go all in every single fucking
that's
time.
It right now, dude.
And then you turn it off when you need to, right? And you just go full cash.
Yeah, but the thing is, most people don't know when they need to, and then they get annihilated. So
scams run the hardest.
In the end, it just comes down to your personal preference. If you decide to go all in, or if you decide to be
if you want to be a pussy and make like a few bucks, or like just fucking go all in, make money, because this only happens like once every fucking 10 years, right? So like, just send it, dude.
Well, then we just had like a little mini version of alt season in like September with like all that DeFi shit, and tons of people made a ton of money, and a lot of people lost a lot of money. And it's probably gonna happen again.
I don't know anyone who lost money last summer, dude.
In September?
No, September, like that was the wipeout of the DeFi games.
Yeah, no, in September people definitely lost money because they didn't know, like you said, Amber, right? They didn't know when to turn off the faucet, right? They just kept aping in September, got fucking rugged left, right, and center.
What year are you guys talking about? Sorry?
September, like the 50% drawdown on everything.
Okay.
Except the Bitcoin. Yeah, so I've even got friends who, getting back to what Bagsy said, that would you do the same mistake again? No, like I've got experienced friends who made new mistakes instead.
Mm-hmm. What? There's new mistakes?
Yeah,
bro.
Fuck.
That's how you keep losing. You keep making new mistakes instead, and you keep learning from those.
Yeah,
it's true. That's a good point. Especially with any new projects that are coming out on Uniswap or whatever DEX it lands on first, the odds of it being a bug pull eventually are sizably big. So, aping into projects now is much different than back then. I mean, back then the founders could have exit scammed or whatever. Like, not to say it never happened or hacks, but rug pull is literally from hero to zero in the space of seconds. So it's just the game changed, and I can understand why people are making new mistakes just because the space moves so fast. That
so an example of this would be that say in summer you saw how well private pre-sales did, and then they got on Uniswap and they opened in multiples, right? So what you wanted to do was get in these pre-sale groups and start getting in pre-sales. But if you did this towards the second half of August or even the beginning of September, you would still have been feeling good, right?
Yes.
But then the DeFi wipeout comes in September and Bitcoin starts pumping really fucking hard in autumn, and you're feeling really bad. And a bunch of people did this, and now they're just sitting on illiquid stuff that's vested for half a year. Instead, they could have had 5x their money because if they just held Bitcoin, right? So I've got a good friend like this, and he's really unhappy because he did this exact thing, and it might turn around. Like a bunch of this stuff will get listed, say now, and he's gonna 20x each investment, every single one of those because they're like decent projects. But he is in fucking pain. You know what I mean?
Of course.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, you have to
You
pick
can
the right.
never do this perfectly. Like no matter how long you've been in the game.
Yeah. The only thing you can look at are when is it launching and how long, the percentage of tokens you get on day one, and the market cap on listing. And then you fucking pray that they aren't baboons, and then the market doesn't change too much. And I have some experience in that, and I've been investing over the last while in them. So I agree with what Ambroid's saying. And some of the projects, what they did is they just bled out for 2-3 months. And then, everyone sells the bottom. And then the private sale ends up, distributing all the tokens. And then the inflation dies down. And then they just start pumping it on exchanges. And then it does 2,000% and everyone's pissed. So like that does happen. So you just got to pray. In those cases, if it doesn't do a 10x on listing.
I think that it's also like new mistakes, even though it might be profitable, but like how many people dumped Uniswap at like $1 or $2 or something like that, you know? Like just shit like that, even though it's free money, like right, but like the mistakes were made. What is that fucking like $20 now or something? So like I mean in hindsight, right? Hindsight's
a bitch. I learned with 1inch though, and I'm sure I'm not the only one. Because I sold all my uni at 350 and at 8 or 750 or something.
Yeah, I thought it was
my average was 5. I thought it was smart,
Yep.
But
I think you got to watch out too, because we're saying $6, $7, $8 or whatever, and it's $20 now, but you traded it for Ethereum, yeah?
I don't remember, but absolutely the opportunity cost is important, and I'm not taking into consideration.
Yeah, I wonder.
No, but also the price of Ethereum would have been cheaper then. So the amount of Ethereum you would have got, I think a lot of people probably traded for Ethereum. The amount of Ethereum is probably a touch more today
than
it was back then.
Yeah.
So you got to take that in consideration too.
That's fair. I probably just spent it on drugs.
Yeah, I fucking lost my Ethereum. Don't get me wrong.
I bought Ethereum with it. I remember it.
Yeah.
I bought Ethereum with it instead. So, like, if you were to compare, not Uniswap,
Android.
Uniperp.
Sorry.
Yeah. Go ahead, buddy.
I was gonna say, do you want the perfect example of what we were talking about just now? Look up MobiPay, MBX, if you don't mind, after we check Ethereum.
Sure. I just want to.
It might be on. Yeah.
/Keith.
Oh yeah, that's what I was gonna see. Yeah. If it outperformed it or not, I guess.
So delete this one. Right. So Uniperp to ETHPerp. Yeah. I mean. So
feels bad.
It was definitely a good move for a long
listing.
time, and then you wanted to get back in like in winter again, right? Which kind of sounds like most of DeFi in general, doesn't it?
Yeah.
So which one was it, Bagsy?
So if you go on charts.cointrader.pro, I don't think it's on TradingView. MBX, MobiPay. Or look up Mobi, MOBIE.
Yeah, I just got too much shit going on here.
No problem. MBX, I think.
Mobi. Is this like Arch?
With an E at the end. MOBIE. Mobi.
shit.
Mopa. Mobi. M-O-B-I-E.
What?
Fuck.
There we go.
There you go.
So I guess USD.
So if we take a percentage, it did something like 1,800%, but for private investors, it just bled out. So if you
So how much was it at the private sale, please?
oh fuck. Hold on. I think
If we knew that, that would be perfect.
That's the listing price. Private was at 0.0016 cents or dollars, I guess. So basically, yeah, down there.
There we go. Right. Went from 3x from private sale.
Yeah.
To the private sale price, and even 20 or 30% below it, and now it's what's that like? Almost 15x.
Yeah. So on day one, people got 10% of their tokens. So max, you could have captured 30% back of your original investment, and then they released 15% every 30 days after. So 1, 2, 3. I mean, now
Did you
everyone's
stake it in the meantime, or gain more tokens in the meantime, or something like that?
This is a very particular coin because it's not built on Ethereum; it's on Stellar. So it's only tradable on BitHum, and you could probably put it on the wallet, and it's probably stakeable. But I haven't.
BitHum is still a thing. I thought.
Very much so.
Is it BitHum or is it BitHum, Chamber?
I say BitHum.
It's.
I don't know. Is it BitThumb or ByThumb or
ByThumb?
Yeah, really.
No,
I just know because I listened to the Rec podcast one time and they were going like a 10-minute discussion about if it's
we've got in deep on the pronunciation of what I feel like it's a bit like it's a whole bunch of issues with that. They should just rebrand, I think, to Binance to Electric Boogaloo.
So I mean, like a similar one to that. Like if we are talking about these private sales that went to shit and now are good again, is
Gather,
dude.
I fucking knew you were gonna say that. Let's go.
I mean, I'm a fanboy, dude, because this one was like 7x right after, but you had only like a day or two to sell it, and it just bled down minus 70%. Even went significantly below the private sale price that I was in, because this was the seed price.
Yeah,
right?
seed was like 0.02, I think, or 1.5, something like that.
1.6, exactly.
1.6, you're right. Yeah, you're right.
That's the green level. That's the seed price. And the gray level was the private sale price, right? But you could have been LPing this on Uniswap in the meantime, and they have a liquidity incentive program.
Yeah, it's like 200% APY right now, or 190.
But you have to remember that you can compound this by depositing the tokens into the contract every single week again. So
that's what I've been doing.
Right now, it's 10x the tokens that I had when I bought it, and the price is at what 7x again.
Yeah.
So like if you have the tolerance for the pain, you just don't have to give a shit. I mean, if you're convinced that the project is gonna do well, right? And there's been a lot of examples like this. Like even if we go back to what a lot of people requested was Nano, right? I mean, forever we are gonna talk about this piece of shit and how it was on Cryptopia.
Dude.
It was on Cryptopia, dude, and we got in at average prices of 300 to 500 Satoshi, right?
Yeah.
Bitcoin Dad got down to like, I don't know, 200 sats because he was exploiting the slaves the best. But
actually true though. Like not even Oh man.
And then the slaves unionized. You couldn't buy
You
cheap
just
ride
pay
along.
people to do captures for you to get these coins. So like, yeah,
Um,
they were paying like people were everyone it worked out for everyone in the end. Like they were getting a lot of money, you know.
Yeah, don't get me wrong, right? So this bottom here is still 10x in Bitcoin from the accumulation levels in 2017.
Mhm.
So there's still a bunch of people who are in profit who, if they
Yeah,
held
if
on
you were in a
this
coma for the last like 3 or
Well,
4
this
years.
is impossible. You would have had to held through the Cryptopia delisting, which when I was withdrawing from Cryptopia, they did not give me the full amount of the coins. Right? They just didn't give them to me. You know, there
Wow.
were a bunch of coins missing, which they're Cryptopia for you.
Tax.
And then you would have had to hold through BitGrail exit scam or hack.
Did
or
they
whatever
just
you
made
call
that
it.
exchange just to do that? I'm pretty sure,
I
right?
mean, holy shit! And yeah, like you have to have massive conviction to hold through this. And it used to be so inconvenient to hold these coins because you needed a wallet for every single one of them. And
I remember.
now I'm reminded of Neithercoin just being an Ethereum fanboy just because he can hold all his bags in a single wallet.
Mm.
I mean, it's just so much more convenient. And I don't give a shit about $30 transaction fees if I can hold 20 bags in a single place or in 3 places on the same device or whatever.
So does Nano still look like a piece of shit right now, or like how are we looking here?
We are at the stage of the market where even Nano looks good.
Mm-hmm. Zcash too.
Ethereum Classic.
That's top things, like that's how you recognize that we are nearing the top when Zcash looks good and Nano looks good and BSV and Ethereum Classic look good. Like that's nearing the overheated levels where you want to think about getting the fuck out. At least out of alts, right? You want to go into Bitcoin and maybe into Ethereum.
Because alts will lose more against Bitcoin if that were to happen. So yeah, I agree. Yeah, and also if anyone's providing liquidity on Uniswap or whatever platform, impermanent loss isn't impermanent. It's kind of permanent unless price comes back to where you provided liquidity. So
I don't know why they call it that. It's fucking permanent.
Yeah. So long story short, that means that if the price at which you deposited, let's say Ethereum and USD, if the price starts diverging from each other, you could lose a lot more than you gambled for, unless you have iron steel hands and price eventually comes back to where you deposited it. And usually people don't. And yeah.
Diamond hands.
Unless they're doing something like Gather, where there's actually a liquidity incentive, like an additional one, I would reconsider. Maybe it's good to LP for the first, I don't even want to say, but let's say the first 24 hours to 48 hours when a project lists, let's say it pulls an option room, has 100 million in volume on Uniswap in one day, and price didn't run away too far. That's when it's worth it. But, for these shit coins that you guys are LPing into, maybe not. Especially if you don't own any Bitcoin or don't own anything that actually has, I don't want to say value, but that is valuable.
How much does it cost to LP a token right now?
But it doesn't cost anything. All you have to have
the gas transactions.
Gas fee, yeah.
It's gonna be like $50 to look the coin,
and then another to unlock it, I guess. Yeah.
Right.
Mm-hmm.
Nice. So yeah, that's good. All right. You want the next coin? Ambroid? Oh, he's going poop. Oh, never mind.
So yeah, what do you want?
You muted and you looked like you needed to go somewhere, dude.
No.
Haven.
Haven. Okay.
Yo, thanks for the $3 shooter, Miguel.
Yeah, shooter. Thanks for
Bella.
the $3 and Bella with the 199, dude. Thank you. I
Make it back.
appreciate
Do we
that.
get that, or is that
Did you
just the
guys get
cost
anything?
of the animated sticker?
These are our sponsors, dude.
It's going directly to a new microphone for SoCal.
Or yeah.
Damn, this looks good.
Yeah,
I would
mean, this
definitely,
is such-
if it pulls back to that the 14K sat level, like, all in. Just kidding though, but yeah, it looks pretty good.
all in, dude. 8-bit.
Yeah.
Yeah,
this is still on Bittrex.
I mean, good luck going all in, dude. This is only on Bittrex.
So liquid.
and Trade Ogre.
There you go. It's gonna.
Yeah, I haven't traded it in a
So
long
let's
time.
pull up the order books. So there's 0.1 BTC for sale.
It looks violent.
And
Totally
then-
pointless.
Dude,
love it.
honestly, Trade Ogre might be a better place to trade it. Who knows?
I mean, you can buy 0.5 BTC and not move the price too much.
Yeah.
So that's not too bad, actually. This is much better than.
This is how he gets people to buy the bags he wants to buy. Hey, Rob, hey,
You can
buy
spend
half of it after
$25,000
Hey.
and not move the price. Not bad. Let's go.
I actually didn't touch Haven since the summer pump, which was like I saw this cup and handle, and I just bought over
A
here.
real cup and handle?
Yes, a real cup and handle and
Oh.
wild.
Nut.
An actual cup and handle and not the bullshit people post. Oh my god! So yeah, I saw a cup and handle and I bought it. 'cause,
Wow, dude, I
yeah,
never
they're
thought.
actually really reliable when you spot them for
Mm.
real.
Yo, people are donating
Yeah,
mad money.
the boss,
boss.
dude. Thank you, man. I appreciate that. Yeah, I just turned this shit on. I didn't know what it did. It's like a super chat or something, dude, and people can just put up big. What is that? A flying bean? Is that? Oh, it's a pear.
I mean, that's like
Yeah.
Twitch
Do you have
feature.
to KYC for that shit?
Is YouTube ripping out Twitch now?
Yeah,
Is that what it is?
that's what it is, dude.
Dude, do you have to
Okay.
KYC?
Probably.
I mean, probably. I mean, you're getting tips. Oh, you just never tried to withdraw.
Nope, I haven't yet.
Oh, okay, gotcha.
I got a KYC on YouTube
Or like
exchange,
send us your
dude.
left test.
Yeah, Haven is looks really good, dude. And I think the fundamentals are pretty good as well. That one's been definitely a sleeper, but I mean, it's what's the USD chart? I mean, that thing is pushed all-time highs already. I'm pretty
There's
sure.
no
Oh,
USD
guys,
chart
guys.
officially. But,
Oh, guys, do you remember LBC, LBA?
LBC.
Library
Library
credits?
coin?
The video streaming
Yeah.
one. The
Yeah,
video.
library coin.
Yeah,
Yeah,
LBC.
Like what? I like that project in terms of like what they're trying to do. Are they still at it or?
Yeah. That someone keeps saying that we need to put our stuff on LBC and we'll get some coins, but I haven't done it yet.
I mean, same thing with Tube, right? We could put our shit on Tube, but
Is that
Oh,
still a thing?
Tube is what I was thinking too. Actually, yeah.
I remember I tried to
definitely
stream
a
on.
thing, yeah.
I tried to stream on Tube or Library, but it was a long time ago. But like there was like a 1 minute delay between like what the viewers and what I was doing, so it was like kind of hard.
Not
to
optimal.
use. But I probably should check it out again, honestly.
yeah, and YouTube's like, I don't know, like 10 seconds at most.
Yeah, you can definitely
So-
change it. You can make it
So
really
it's
fast.
just like live TV where you can censor people in those 10 seconds. So not that we actually use that option, censor people.
We have never exercised that. Ever.
Exercise that.
I've never had to swing the ban hammer yet. But I mean, there probably should have been times I should have, but just I don't know. I'm not scared.
I mean, Haven against USD is just crazy, dude.
Yep, just crushing, dude. Yeah,
This
that was
is
a
really
sleeper
solid.
for sure. I mean, there was so much drama with that shit, like the dev team left and like all this other shit, and then they,
Oh yeah.
no one knew if the stable coins were gonna work, and but yeah, there it is, man.
Yo, let's talk a bit about Alpha Cream and the exploit earlier today. Did
Sure.
you guys hear about that?
Yeah.
Yeah, go ahead. Talk back.
Yeah.
Talk.
I'm formulating thoughts.
I'm on the edge of my seat here.
Are exploits a good thing? And this is what I mean. Good as in the more exploits happen to a platform, the less bad things could happen later down the road.
Yeah,
Is that a way to look at things?
I guess so.
It's kind of stupid, but it definitely makes for buying opportunities if it's not a shitcoin, first of all, and the platform actually has good developers, and they can fix and patch whatever, and they understand how to reward users if there's an exploit. There's a lot that goes into it, but
didn't Cream say that there wasn't an exploit, or like nothing
I
was
thought it was
wrong?
an exploit on the actual platform, like that whatever alpha was what it was called or something. Like nothing is wrong with Cream, I don't think. That's what I heard, but
social media told me that, so I'm pretty sure it's accurate.
yeah, right.
I think an exploiter borrowed against Alpha's 35 million treasury. And,
But
and
I think in terms of like other exploits, like Pickle or whatever ones that actually they got owned, but I don't think this one actually was affected. Like Cream was actually affected. It was the platform it was on or something. But I don't know for sure. So
bullish hacking.
Bullish hacking, dude.
Yeah. Are you guys invested at all in this whole decentralized finance? Badger, Rook, Messiah, Crypto Messiah, Kingdom of you got them.
I'm long on FTX, if that's what you're asking.
Yeah.
What's that? Sorry.
I'm long on FTX.
Okay. Yeah, it's true. They just listed it.
I mean, not on Cream specifically.
Florian, thanks for the 50.
Yo, Mars, thanks, man. Fucking legend, dude. 50 whole. What is that? A euro?
Like $3.7 million in Canada.
Dude, I could buy a feast with that.
Did you say I could buy a face with that?
No, a feast, not a face.
Oh.
Yeah, dude, you can buy 2 beers in Germany for that.
Like, how big would they be?
A liter. But
it's that expensive?
Yeah, like if you go to like Munich to the actual like Oktoberfest locations, like into the beer gardens.
That's not cheap.
Holy fuck, it's expensive, dude.
You've never drank bitter beer, right? It just tastes different because you just.
It tastes like piss. It's fucking horrible beer.
But it tastes like better piss, because you spent so much on it.
It's horrible beer, dude. Like, oh god, it's like one of the worst beers that I've ever drank. And
did it make you feel good?
You make me feel good.
Aw, dude, happy Valentine's Day, bro.
Oh god. What did I bring up on myself? Yeah, but
dude, the recovery candle on Cream looks way better than a lot of the other ones.
Like a Darth Maul.
Yeah, yeah.
I haven't seen one of these in a while. But...
Yeah, that definitely looks better than a lot of the other ones. What was the one last week? DMG, like the no.
Yeah,
recovery.
that one's just
right.
That one just won't recover, will it?
How do we feel about DMG today?
Good.
Ooh.
Yep, that hurts.
Question.
Oh, wow.
Yes.
When looking at these kind of platforms that allow you to yield farm, what is the most important metric to look at when trying to judge how valuable the platform is? Because a lot of these metrics can be gamed, right? You can have a few whales in a pool that make it look like there's $200 million TVL or whatever, but it's not because there's a community behind it, or amount of holders can also be gamed. So, do you guys have any thoughts on that?
Not really.
Cricket.
Shitcoin. Trying to investing in shitcoin since 2000 whatever.
Yeah. I only trade dinosaur coins, dude.
Yeah, I mean, honestly, I generally don't give a shit about the fundamentals. Like, if it got on FTX, that's good enough fundamental filter for me.
Yeah,
that
I could agree with that.
Something's good enough. You know what I mean? And like, if I look at pure fundamentals, then I'm not looking at yield farming platforms. That's not something too exciting to me.
Not to say that you have to yield farm, but the tokens have been performing well, so I wouldn't ignore it per se. But I understand.
Sure, but I mean, like right now, my portfolio is
80%
mostly
Haven.
It's actually like Luna, Terra.
Yeah. That one
Yeah,
One second, I'm gonna mark by that right now before it pumps.
Really
Oh,
well.
you're a little late, Chamber.
Oh, damn it.
And that was basically something that a friend of mine just messaged me, and he's like, "You want to buy this? It's gonna do really well." And he's like, for me, he is the fundamental filter, right? He says something is good, so I just ape it. And he is often off by half a year or something, but eventually it moons, right? So this one, he told me at 50 cents. And I looked at this and I saw this breaking out, and I'm like, okay, let's go for it. And this was really hard to hold though. And then there's Gather. I bought Dia today, and that's basically it, dude. Like I'm very concentrated in a few things, and none of them are gonna be like yield farming platforms, and if they are, I don't even know it.
Right. Okay.
So yeah.
I got way more degen bags than that.
And how is that working out for you?
Yeah, let's hear it.
We're gonna find out, man.
He doesn't even know yet.
We like I got a bunch of DeFi stuff, but can we talk about Verge for a sec?
Yes.
Because I feel like it's gonna melt a face. And somebody in the chat brought it up, so I told them I'd bring it up.
Okay,
Is Verge DeFi? It doesn't
Italian
DeFi stuff.
No, Verge. Shitty Verge.
But I mean, it should be DeFi stuff. Why isn't it anonymous DeFi or something?
It's being built. if it's not there already, and I just don't know. But
I was being ironic, dude.
Oh, I mean, why not? A lot of these whales don't want to be tracked.
Wow, look at
on
that
Uniswap.
chart, dude. So much regret.
No, not if you buy at the bottom.
I did.
It's like it's like when Sam, I think, borrowed YFI to short the market to Hades. People tracked it and they found out. Like people of that size would love privacy for this, so that's why, and that's huge.
Yeah, but why would Verge be your bet to do this? Because
so who said that?
I'm just saying Verge is gonna pump because it's a piece of shit.
Oh no, I'm not arguing for Verge. No, I'm just arguing for privacy in general for Dexes.
Sure.
Sorry about that.
I can get behind that. Well, I just cannot get behind Verge anymore.
Yeah.
I mean, that's like a nano situation for me, you know? Like, I wanted to touch the original accumulation zone of 2 Satoshi.
That 2 Satoshi looks nice, though, eh?
Yeah, man.
Woo!
So you think Verge is gonna go rip faces?
100%, 100%, it's gonna pump. Are you kidding me? The thing's a scam ass coin. Okay. All right, Tron's gonna fucking pump at some point, and so is Verge.
Dude, are you trying to get people after us? Like you can't be.
No. I'm just telling the truth. Tell me I'm wrong. Tell me I'm wrong. I'm not saying it's good. I'm just saying it's gonna happen. You can't be blind to the truth.
What do they say about scams, Chamber? Do you know what they say about scams?
Oh god.
They pump the hardest, right?
I mean, but yeah, like it did. Look at it. It already did. Like, what more do you want from this? It's a dead donkey. Stop beating it.
Dead donkey.
You're SoCal.
Your microphone is fucked again.
I'm back. The fucking FBI tried to get me again.
Guys, thank you for the donation. We're gonna get SoCal a new mic this week. I appreciate that.
Oh, you should be able to
get
one.
You guys will appreciate it too.
Please, I need a new mic and a haircut.
You don't need a haircut, dude. Look at me. I haven't had a haircut in like 3 years, dude. Like, come on.
You're right.
It's fine.
I'm just gonna swear off haircuts altogether.
All right, Chamber. What's your target for Verge here? Well, like,
what's my target for Verge?
Target, sir.
Target, sir.
Target, sir. Yeah. I got you. Target. 1 second. I'll tell you right now. I'm gonna sell. I see. I just bought a bag at 35 sats. So I'm all right now.
You're looking pretty nice. I mean, you are looking nice, but I mean, you know what I mean?
Probably like 102.
Look, that's where Ambroid's line is, right there, 103. See, you guys are on the same page there.
Yeah, that's probably where I'll sell the bag. It's gonna pump at some point.
But look at the chart. You don't think it could go back up to 2,000 Santiagos?
Oh, it totally could. Look, I bought Doge at 17 sats and sold it at like 37 sats the other day. And
Oh, so you're good at selling like.
I'm 100%. Yeah, I'm gonna fuck this one up too. Don't worry. It's gonna go to 2,000 sats on me.
Yep. Oh man. Okay.
But, yeah.
So is
Little wins.
Is this a top signal when Verge looks good too, Embroid? Or
Absolutely, dude. I mean, like all of these coins that we looked at, they are all signs of like the market boiling over. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Just no.
So when is the music gonna stop? Do we have a date in mind? Like, is
it can go up quickly, but yeah,
I'm thinking like 2 months at most. Like,
oh,
I think 2 months is a lot. I think it's like 1 month from now.
Yeah.
Well, what do they say? Sell in May and walk away, right?
Yeah.
That's. Can you count months for me, Dom? Like now is February.
March. Oh yeah. Fuck.
One.
Okay.
That's pretty good.
Stop aping in April. That's what they say.
Yeah, April scares me still. Like, isn't it like tax season? I feel like everybody's gonna like just get scared. That's why I think mid to late March. I think I'm gonna recalibrate to ETH and BTC.
There was a chart recently by Peter Schrumpf, if you follow him. He's like big on these macro picks. Let me try and find it. I've got it in history, like over here. Yeah, there we go. So if you look at this as a fractal, 1, 2, 3, right?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, and then this long ass bear, which was the September through November when Bitcoin pumped. This time, right? So it looks very similar, and that's the 2017 alt season, where this first pump was like the March pumps, and then we had a big throwback across the board, and then everything topped off in April, May or so, right? So what he's calling is that we are now in April 2017. So now you would want something like a pullback across the board and then a blow off in May, and then throughout the summer you would have just only Bitcoin action. That's what this fractal's calling for, just to explain it. But yeah, I mean, this makes a lot of sense to me. So yeah, I like it. That's where my like 2 months came from. It might be like even only a month. And like when you see stuff like Verge and Nano and Ethereum Classic like boiling over, breaking out, that's when you know you need a pullback across the board just to shut these bag holders up. And
shut up,
you stupid bag holders!
Shut up!
Not even like shut them up. Like they are these bag holders who are finally selling in profit, right? So that's how resistance is created, right? You've got people who have been holding this shit since 2019. Now they are finally in profit in Bitcoin, say selling at 1.5x or whatever, and they're happy, dude. They'll fucking take it because Bitcoin's up
Bigly.
I don't know, 5x since then.
Yeah,
Bigly,
and
yeah. So
then Nano runs 2,000% more, and they kill themselves.
yes, but that only comes after.
I don't want that to happen, dude. What?
Yeah, but that only comes after the pullback, which happens because they sold, right? That's how flags are created. That's how triangles are created. It's just bag holders selling and these new people buying in. And if the new people overwhelm them, you get a breakout and shit continues up, right? And the power of this bull market is, it seems, that there are so many buyers that, yes, you've got these reactions, but everything just continues on up afterwards, because everyone and their mother are buying, right? If you've got people like Dalio saying that, yes, Bitcoin is on the verge of adoption, blah blah blah. So that's like one of these most conservative macro investors saying that, yes, the biggest one is finally getting good enough for them. Then everyone else who is less conservative and not educated in investing is gonna buy Nano here, right? Because it's cheaper and it's on Binance, and everyone has a Binance account. So
Nice.
yeah.
Okay, should we cruise through some shit coins, some real shit coins, and see how they're doing?
Okay.
I really want to see what Dragon Chain looks like.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is it listed anywhere?
Come to Papa. Yeah, of
Track
course. It's
still.
on KuCoin.
So
Wow,
there
look
you
at
go.
that.
I mean, wow, it ran into the resistance from 2019.
Like a fucking brick wall.
So yeah, I mean, same shit, right?
Yeah, same
Can we
shit.
Same shit.
Can we zoom out a bit more, please,
Sure.
on the weekly? Or
Enhance.
Enhance.
I mean, even this is a late listing. If we want to get some real history, it's gonna be over here.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Good
we
call.
love real history.
Against Bitcoin,
Ooh,
though.
yeah.
Weekly, baby.
Oh.
Is this what you wanted?
Oh, give it to me.
Oh yeah.
People are like, the whales have been accumulating for 3 years. It's gonna pump, guys.
Disney.
Disney's coming.
I have a high slumber score. It's gonna pump
It's a
eventually.
slumber score, dude. And what was that guy in the forest where he's like, it's outstanding. It's growing.
Oh, that's not so fast. No?
Yeah, like, duh.
It's like the treasures inside this chest.
That's right.
2 dragons or maybe 3 dragons.
So yeah.
Okay, what about Lux?
Oh my goodness. That one hurts.
Where's this listed though?
Lux is listed.
No, never.
Jesus.
I remind you, this is logarithmic chart.
Yeah, that thing pumped
I just
really
cannot.
hard. And now it's
I mean, like this is like when we looked at Pearl like 2 or 3 weeks ago. It's one of these Cryptopia coins that just died with the exchange.
yeah, there's a few people I remember that had Lux.
Oh,
And
Dubai
Love it.
coin.
oh, dude. Oh, fuck. Dubai with a DBX.
I think.
Yeah, man.
Oh, same thing.
Dude, I mined
Yeah.
that shit when it first came out. I made some pretty good money on it. Yeah, that was good. That was a fun time. I remember that.
What about bismuth?
Oh, no.
Dude, I was literally the second GPU miner in the world on Bismuth. I made so much
And
bank
look how
off
it
that.
turned out.
Wow.
Look, I'm talking about the past, okay? You see that massive spike? Yeah, that paid for my rigs.
This is so sad to see, dude.
Yeah.
It is.
Because this is all GPU miner blood.
Yeah, it is.
Real
'Cause,
blood.
like, your only option to mine as a GPU miner is Ethereum.
Pretty
You
much.
can-
You're not wrong.
You cannot mine anything else, like long term profitably. You're just shooting yourself in the foot mining anything else.
Yeah, that's sad.
What next, Dom?
Do you guys remember T food? TE food?
Yeah.
Yeah, we
remember
could look
that
at
one.
TE Food and
I
Origin
think I
Trail if
have
we
a
did.
bag of that somewhere.
Weren't they rivals? Were T-Food and Origin Trails rivals?
Maybe, yeah, I think so.
Didn't they both like try to do the same
Yeah,
thing?
that actually did well recently. No,
What's
well,
that?
obviously, but
How much is that?
600% ish, 500-600, yeah.
Not bad, dude.
That was in the DeFi
That's
summer,
that's
right?
actually
Yeah,
That's
they just pumped with everything else, basically.
yeah. I guess they hired a market maker and just fucking pumped the shit.
Yeah.
And then they fired him.
No, then they dump
No,
on
they
the
just went with
market.
the market cycle, like with the rest of it. It just didn't do anything.
Could you stack
over here.
Origin Trail on top of this one? Because I think they're similar, yeah?
Oh, let's look at Origin Trail, actually. I'm
yeah,
curious.
we love Origin Trail here on Shitcoin Talk.
Sure don't want to talk bad about it.
Their community is something else, I'll tell you what.
Maybe some of the most prettiest people I've ever seen.
Uh-huh. Beautiful.
They're pieces of shit.
I was gonna say, you guys sound like hostage victims.
You
sound like a
reading from a script.
My ears, dude. What the fuck?
Just to give this some context, we were requested to talk about Origin Trail. I don't know how long ago it
Like
was.
2 years ago or
and
something.
we didn't like the chart or something, and we just got so much hate.
Oh, we were making fun of like how were they gonna process my lemons or something like that and give me free lemons or what? Like what were they gonna do, you know? And then they're like, it's gonna change the world, man. I was like, okay. Yeah.
So yeah, fuck you, bag holder.
Jesus,
It actually doesn't look that bad right now.
It doesn't. I'll agree. It doesn't look bad.
Yeah, it doesn't look bad, but
like
still fuck you.
It looks like Cardano did. It looks like Cardano on the daily before it pumped recently. It had that 3.
So this looks fucking solid, dude.
What's the volume like?
Oh.
Yeah, that's quite good.
Is it? It's 5 million tokens at 900 sats. That's not too much.
No, I mean not good.
It is growing.
Better than it was.
It's outstanding.
Yeah,
It's
but
growing.
I mean, again, like I have to remind you that this is coin market cap,
Mhm.
so it's probably gonna be. I mean, this looks organic as fuck. Am I right?
Yeah.
So there's no history of spoofing volume on this at all. You can be sure that this is real organic volume, just like the real organic lemons.
Whales are entering, dude. All right. Well,
Jesus.
I mean, yeah, the chart looks better than some of them.
You guys, sorry everyone. I actually have to hop off. Thanks for having me.
Hey, are you going on a Valentine's date?
No, I got a phone call.
Okay.
Unfortunately not.
Bye. Happy Valentine's Day. I'll miss you.
I would never cheat on you, dumb.
Okay. Thank you.
Take care, guys. Thanks for having me again.
Thanks for
Peace.
coming.
Bye.
Yeah, Bagsy.
The fucking Origin bag holders are calling him, dude.
They are. They're like, we need to talk.
Oh god.
Okay.
But yeah, I mean,
I gotta go.
I'll be honest.
I'm gonna check if my phone is ringing, dude. All right, now we're good. What else is there? Hex?
Hex.
Oh my
That's,
God,
yeah, that's
dude.
that's the fucking worst of them all.
Maybe.
Maybe.
Or they might be. It might be a buy. Who knows?
Is this the one?
Yeah. Yep.
I mean, I don't
Okay.
know.
This is doing much better than you would expect.
Yeah. Maybe those Hex guys aren't so bad after all.
Do you think we can get them to sponsor Shitcoin Talk?
Do we want to take that money?
I'm pretty sure that's pretty dirty money.
Yeah, but have you seen Richard Hart, or whatever his name is, dude?
Yeah.
He's always sitting in that nice ass chair, and he's got all that glassware behind him. And
Don't you want such a chair?
I want to sit in that chair.
He's got all those fancy hats.
Yeah. I mean, fuck. Maybe we could turn out like that. That'd be cool. I mean, that's the dream, right?
Top hats and candles and fancy chairs.
Yeah, and that huge fucking, what does he have, like a chandelier on his table or something that's just massively huge?
That is classy as fuck.
It is, dude. Like, I want that, dude.
What has this coin brought out in you? I mean, holy shit. We just talk about Hex and now you are suddenly tasteless. What's going on?
I just want to live that life, man. I should have bought Hex.
No, you've got it
No.
wrong.
I
dude.
wish I could have been on the
if
Hex
you-
round
no.
table.
You've got this wrong, like the other way around.
Okay.
If you want to look like this, you want to sell Hex because
Okay.
he's selling Hex to people and he looks like that.
I wanted
You know
to be
what I
on
mean?
the Hex roundtable video conference when it dumped and everyone's just sitting there looking like Richard. Do you see that picture? There was like a meeting,
No.
and like there's like 10 people that all have top hats, and they all look like him. And then the market dumps, and they're like, they're like, oh man, good times. Okay, we don't have to look at this any longer.
Yeah. So just to be clear for new people watching, this is a scam. Please avoid it. And this is actual financial advice. This is a scam. Please
Yeah, like
avoid
this.
it.
Amber, you would say that? Would you say this is like the number one scam coin, like for total volume? Like it's a big scam, right? Like I can't think of a worse one than
I
this.
think it's a lot of trade washing.
But I would say it's the most popular of the scams.
I couldn't say honestly. I think like the biggest one right now is Voyager.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
I don't
like
know- I
that's
don't know
like
that one.
in top 10 market cap or top 20 or whatever.
Interesting.
For
Someone just said that we're a
Sure.
joke. I think they're talking to us.
Yay!
And it's YOU apostrophe
Voyager is like,
RE, you fucking idiot.
What? Maybe they weren't talking to us. Hold on, I don't know yet, dude.
yeah, Voyager is like the most popular scam right now.
Oh, okay. I didn't even know that. That's good to know.
This is you don't know it because it's rebranded again.
Oh, I see.
So it was something else, and then something else before that.
So this time we angered the Hex community. Is it looks like who
Yeah,
we
that's
pissed
okay.
off this
Put your fucking top hat
Eat
on.
a dick.
Get
eat
the
a
fuck
dick.
going.
God, dude, come on, dude. I want the chandelier candle holder thing, dude. Come on.
You
All
can
right.
have that, anyways, dude. You've got a green screen. Just put it on behind you.
Yeah. Oh yeah, you're right. Fuck. Okay.
Honestly, Dunn would look fucking dope in a top hat.
I'm gonna have to get one for next week, dude.
Is there a bottom hat? I want the bottom hat.
All right. Well, we're at 1 hour and 5 minutes now.
Excellent.
Should we wrap it up or what? Like, should we look at a few more shitcoins?
Now let's just do the outro things where we shill shit to people.
Okay, go ahead.
Jesus.
That's what I've been waiting for.
Yeah, so I already mentioned it during the show. I bought Dia yesterday or today. Yesterday, yes, because it looks a lot like a 2017 setup to me, where you've got a breakout on the USD pair that's very visible, right? You can see that this is making new highs, but against BTC, it's like on the top of the range, sitting on resistance. And this is like a typical 2017 setup in the sense that you would see altcoins breaking out against their dollar pairings, which were often fictional at the time. And that was like the inherent strength in the Bitcoin uptrend that you wanted to follow, right? So I bought a lot of this, and I'm, of course, prepared to sell it if it makes a new low. But yeah, this looks really good to me right now at this point, especially if you look at Binance only, and a lot of people look at Binance only, and they don't understand that something has history before Binance. We are at that stage of the market where you've got people entering who don't understand that there could be history on the left side somewhere else. So yeah, that's my big play right now. Yeah, hopefully that ends well and not me, dying poor.
Hell yeah. SoCal?
Hey, what's up, buddy?
How's your microphone doing?
It's not doing well.
Okay.
It's still jacked up.
Well, what coins are you trading this week to get a microphone next week?
I'm still trading some NDR, and I'm trading some small SMOL. And yeah, that's basically what I've been trading for the past couple days.
NFTs are the future, bro.
Yeah, but gas. I'm one of those bastards who hates gas prices. So I'm not gonna pay $300 for the transaction fee. I'm sorry.
Okay. That's fair. What about NFTs on other platforms, SoCal?
I haven't really looked into any of that yet. I'm not saying that it's bad or anything. I just haven't looked into it.
Okay, fair enough. Chamber,
Oh, I got some stuff.
you're
for you.
gonna be rich from that Verge trade, dude.
That's
That's all I know.
I'm holding it to 2,000.
Oh no, what? I thought you were selling 100, bro.
I changed my mind. I'm going to the
Oh
top.
man, dude, community member incoming, man.
I actually bought some. I mean, this is absolute shit. Maybe not the project, but it's like a $2 million market cap called Plot. PLOT. It's Plot X. It's kind of a new one.
Ooh.
Bought it today.
Wow.
Looks pretty good.
Plot X.
Yeah.
That's not bad, dude. I like it.
Nice, dude. You got the stamp, the seal of approval, bro.
Might not be bad. That's the only one I'm really excited about. Everything else,
liquid as fuck, dude.
yeah, totally. I bought,
What does it do?
I had to increase my slippage just to buy the amount that I wanted.
Well, you have to
So
because
does
like
it-
if you don't and then you have to like make multiple transactions, then like it's not so
Totally.
yep, I got you. All right, what does it
So
do?
does it do something?
It's like predictive markets, some bullshit. It's not. Okay, it's predictive. It's a DeFi. It's a $2 million market cap. That's all I can tell you.
I love that, dude. I bought this. Looks pretty good. I don't know. It's some bullshit.
That's all I can do, man. I don't know. I'm not. I've never once said I know what I'm doing.
Right.
These are just hopes and wishes.
Hell yeah.
Buy my bags.
Perfect. Yeah, buy the bag. I've been trading on Q Trade, trying to buy some illiquid shit coins. You know, I was running a spread bot on Q Trade, and then today I woke up and Hathor network is up 40%, which is great, except that the my little bot thing decided to sell all my shit at 0% profit. So, just working out the kinks, but playing around, having fun. So I don't know. Q Trade is where I'm looking at some. Hathor. Hathor is pretty good, dude.
This is fucking sweet, dude.
Yeah. So I bought some of that at like 500, 400-ish sats. Now, I mean, it's pretty much doubled in the last few days.
Why does it a lot?
Yeah. But I don't, because usually on Q Trade the market caps are a lot lower. Like like VO is like a few $1 million. Nizo is a few $1 million. This one's like a 40. Well, now it's like fuck. I don't know if it's like a 60 or $80 million market cap. I think.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, the project seems interesting. It seems pretty cool. I think this one could be good.
Yeah,
but,
I don't like it
But
anymore.
I don't have any coins now, so I got to figure out what I'm gonna do about that. But other than that, man, I was just playing around.
I mean, not much of a spread bot if it sells off all your inventory, dude.
I think dude, I'm sure that it's not that complex of a bot. Like, I'm sure someone could see what it was doing and like fucking game me and get wreck me. But no, it's all good. I'm just messing around. So, but yeah, Q Trade's where I'm at right now. Pretty nice exchange. Other than that, man, not much.
Yeah, trading all the 3 pairs with the volume there.
Yep, exactly, dude. Yep, and then losing my money. So perfect, good. Even when the coins go up, I'm still losing money. I don't know how that works. It's because I'm dumb. And this is Shitcoin Talk, episode 92. Any last words, boys?
Love you.
Buy my bags.
Love you. Happy Valentine's Day, everybody.
Happy Valentine's
Happy
Day.
Valentine's Day.
Thanks for the-
See, I love you.
Yeah, thanks for the donations, Mars, Bella, wait, look, Shooter, and DeBoss, man. I appreciate that shit. We're gonna get SoCal a new microphone.
Woo, thanks, guys.
Yeah, thanks, guys. All right, we'll see you next week.
See ya.
Goodbye. Love you. Happy Valentine's Day.
Bye.
Bye.